Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Hello automotive enthusiasts. Insufficient engine oil is a critical issue that can lead to engine overheating, causing severe damage. In this informative guide, we'll look deep into the dangers associated with low engine oil levels and how they contribute to engine overheating. Join us as we share the risks, explore the symptoms of engine overheating due to insufficient oil, and discover preventive measures to safeguard your engine's health. The dangers of insufficient engine oil. Understanding engine overheating. Engine overheating can be a serious issue, and one common cause is insufficient engine oil. When an engine runs low on oil, it loses its ability to lubricate and cool the moving parts, leading to increased friction and heat. Let's explore the signs of insufficient engine oil, the potential consequences of overheating, and how to prevent this problem from occurring. Understanding the importance of proper engine oil levels is crucial for maintaining the health and performance of your vehicle. Understanding engine oil. Engine oil is a vital component of any vehicle's operating system. Understanding the importance and functions of engine oil is crucial in maintaining the health and longevity of your vehicle's engine. Importance of engine oil. Engine oil serves multiple critical functions within a vehicle. It acts as a lubricant, reducing friction between moving parts in the engine and preventing wear and tear. Additionally, engine oil helps to regulate engine temperature by dissipating heat and preventing overheating. It also aids in sealing gaps between components, preventing leaks, and maintaining optimal engine performance. Furthermore, engine oil helps to keep the engine clean by carrying away dirt and debris. Engine oil functions. Engine oil performs several key functions essential for the smooth operation of a vehicle's engine. These functions include lubrication, cooling, sealing, cleaning, and protection against rust and corrosion. Proper lubrication reduces friction between metal components, protecting them from excessive wear. The cooling properties of engine oil prevent overheating by carrying heat away from critical engine parts. Engine oil also seals tiny gaps between moving parts, preventing leaks and maintaining internal pressure. Moreover, it cleans the engine by carrying away dirt and contaminants, keeping it free from harmful deposits. Lastly, engine oil helps to protect the engine from rust and corrosion, extending its lifespan. Understanding the significance and multifaceted functions of engine oil is essential for every vehicle owner. Regular maintenance, including monitoring and changing the engine oil as needed, is crucial for ensuring the optimal performance and longevity of the engine. Effects of insufficient engine oil. It's crucial to understand the effects of running your engine with insufficient oil. This can lead to several serious consequences, including increased friction and heat, as well as significant wear and tear on engine components. Increased friction and heat. When the engine is low on oil, the metal parts within the engine rub against each other without proper lubrication, resulting in increased friction and heat. This can lead to the components wearing down at a faster rate, potentially causing irreversible damage to the engine. Do you like this topic? Then drop a comment below. A thumbs up if it's hitting the spot, and don't forget to share with friends who might love this information, and hit that subscribe button for more. Let's go on. Wear and tear on engine components. Insufficient engine oil can result in accelerated wear and tear on vital engine components such as the pistons, camshaft, and crankshaft. Without proper lubrication, these parts are more susceptible to damage and can lead to costly repairs or even engine failure. By neglecting the oil levels in your engine, you are essentially subjecting it to unnecessary stress and strain, which can have detrimental effects on its overall performance and longevity. Regularly checking and maintaining proper oil levels is essential in ensuring the smooth and efficient operation of your engine. Signs of insufficient engine oil. If your engine is not receiving an adequate supply of oil, several warning signs may become apparent, alerting you to the potential issue. Keep an eye out for the following indicators. Dashboard warning lights are designed to alert you to potential problems with your vehicle. In the case of insufficient engine oil, the oil pressure warning light may illuminate. This is a crucial warning sign that should not be ignored, as it indicates that your engine may not be receiving the necessary lubrication. Engine noise. Insufficient engine oil can lead to increased friction and heat within the engine, causing various types of engine noise. You may notice a loud knocking or tapping sound, indicating potential damage to engine components. This noise can be particularly noticeable when starting the engine or accelerating. It's important to pay close attention to these signs and address any issues with your engine's oil levels promptly to prevent potential damage and costly repairs. Prevention of insufficient engine oil. Regular oil checks and changes. Engaging in regular oil checks and changes is crucial for preventing insufficient engine oil. Checking the oil level and quality at consistent intervals, such as every 3,000 miles or as recommended by the vehicle manufacturer, allows for early detection of any potential issues with the engine oil. When conducting an oil check, it's essential to ensure the vehicle is parked on a leveled surface and the engine has cooled down. By adhering to a routine maintenance schedule, you can mitigate the risk of insufficient engine oil, thereby sustaining optimal engine performance and longevity. Using the right type of oil. Utilizing the appropriate type of oil for your vehicle is fundamental in preventing insufficient engine oil. Referencing the owner's manual or consulting with a knowledgeable mechanic can aid in determining the specific viscosity and grade of oil recommended for your vehicle. Using the wrong type of oil can lead to accelerated oil consumption and potential engine damage. By choosing the correct oil for your engine, you contribute to its overall health and functionality, reducing the likelihood of encountering issues related to insufficient engine oil. Consequences of engine overheating. Engine damage. When an engine overheats due to insufficient engine oil, it can lead to catastrophic damage. The high temperatures can cause the metal components to warp, leading to engine parts rubbing against each other and causing wear and tear. This can result in the seizing of the engine, potentially causing irreparable damage and leading to costly repairs or the need for a full engine replacement. Potential safety hazards. In addition to the financial burden of engine damage, there are also potential safety hazards associated with engine overheating. A severely overheated engine can result in a loss of power, leaving the vehicle stranded in a dangerous situation. Furthermore, if the overheating is caused by a lack of engine oil, it may signify a larger issue with the vehicle's maintenance, which could lead to other safety concerns such as brake failure or steering issues. These safety hazards highlight the critical importance of maintaining proper engine oil levels to avoid the potential dangers of an overheated engine. In conclusion, maintaining appropriate engine oil levels is crucial to prevent engine overheating. Regularly checking and changing the engine oil, as well as addressing any leaks, is essential for optimal engine performance and longevity. By prioritizing proper engine oil maintenance, you can avoid the inconvenience and potential damage caused by an overheating engine. Remember, a small investment in regular oil checks and changes can save you from costly repairs and downtime in the long run. Thank you for exploring our guide on the dangers of insufficient engine oil leading to engine overheating. By recognizing the risks and symptoms associated with low oil levels, you're better equipped to prevent engine overheating and maintain your engine's health. Stay tuned for more insightful automotive maintenance tips and troubleshooting guides. Remember, maintaining proper engine oil levels is crucial to prevent engine overheating and ensure your vehicle's longevity. Keep your engine well oiled for a smooth and reliable driving experience. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.